Hello again, and now we have finished the writing of 7 questions. So we will try to understand the inside of this 4 segment and how to improve scoring in this 4 part. And we have started with CC, which is coherence and cohesion. Although I kept telling you during the examples that how they were used, where they were used, and how effective they are, let's try to understand it in a more holistic manner, right? So let's first try to understand what band descriptors says, like how do you get the band in IELTS. In this particular segment, I'm just talking about this particular segment because you must be aware that the scores are given in all 4 formats. So you will get 25% scoring in each, including coherence and cohesion, 25% for grammar, 25% for vocabulary, and 25% for the task part, right? So here band script say use cohesive devices effectively, cohesion within or between sentences. So that we'll try to understand. May be faulty or mechanical, right? So within the sentences and between the sentences, we'll try to illustrate it. But band 7 use a range of cohesive devices appropriately, although there may be some under or overuse, right? But you can get 7 if you are using it appropriately. There might be overuse, or sometimes you may not use it. So without it, you can obtain only 5 band, and inaccurate use will give you 6. So anyway, you have to use it, that for sure. And if you use it appropriately and sufficiently, you will get 7 band scale in this particular segment. Let's try to understand it much clearly. So now here is an example of 2 body paragraphs in a way, because I have hinted you about the coherence and cohesion throughout the videos since beginning. Now this is the task I'm giving to you. Try to identify the use of cohesion and coherence in this. I'm giving you about 1 minute time to find out and underline the part which is a part of coherence and cohesion. Okay, sorry, I have got flu. So you're going through it, right? Okay, you must have read it by now. So let's check your answer with this. So this is the first paragraph. You can see the colored part is the use of coherence and cohesion. Looking at the details with about 25%. So this one, you can see this is these are used within the sentences. You can see these are within the sentences, but then this is between the sentences. So there are 2 separate sentences. So that is the difference within the sentences. And this blue color is between the sentences, and this one is again between the sentences. The green color is within the sentences. So there is no separate sentence with green color. So you can see, looking at the details, so there is a separate sentence. Just over half of all boys from 10 to 15 chat on the internet during school days, with about 25% spending less than an hour. So this is within the sentence. Next sentence, however, almost 70% of the girls enjoy this activity, and as many as nearly 10% spend, so again within the sentence, over 4 hours, sorry, chatting online. In contrast, so again, this is used between the sentences. Playing on games consoles is far more popular among boys. So this is a kind of game, perhaps like PUBG's consoles, among boys than girls, with about 85% of the boys playing daily compared to just over 50% of the girls. So again, with about 85%, right? It's same language. Of those who play video games, so this is a separate sentence. Um, Whereas the majority of boys play between 1 and 3 hours, the largest proportion of girls play for less than an hour. So whereas is used between the sentence. So the language above helps to build a sense of cohesion within and between the sentences. Okay, I hope you have understood. We will discuss about different kind of devices of coherence and cohesion in the coming video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now, see you soon.